Okay, so I'm about to put this, I'm going to use this thing to put a hole in my belt because it is too small. So I marked it right here with this after I put it on. Oh, you can't see it, but anyway, this is the right side. Yeah. So I marked it right here. So, well, right here. So we'll see if this thing works. So I'm going to take this thing. I'm trying to hold this and record at the same time. And then I'm going to go. Okay, it's going to be a problem. Let me prop this up real quick. So I'm going to take this thing. And then, I don't know if I'm holding it right. I don't feel like reading the instructions. And I'm going to, so anyway, I'm going to slide it on here. And then I'm going to press this thing right here. But now I can pull out the phone out of my pocket. Let's see what happens. Did it put a hole in it? Let me see. Oh, God, there's a hole down. It's almost lined up. So smaller than the other holes, but so it has these things here where you can select the hole size. But I chose a smaller one for obvious reasons, but whatever.